Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong December money reading. So, tinan natin kung ano yung energies ng kaperahan sa inyong career, business ngayong 2023 ng December. December 2023. Ayan. So, this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Ayan. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. So, Sag, what's up? Okay. Anong energies ng finances? You have progression, journey. Yes, things are improving. Marami ka ng mga natutunan in the past. And ngayong December, maaring ina-apply mo na yung mga natutunan mo in the past in terms of your financial aspects, no? Yung mga financial experiences mo sa trabaho mo, sa career mo. You also have Juno partnership. So, some of you are going to partner with someone. Pwedeng business ito or meron kayong issues or concern with your partner related to your money, to your career ngayong December. So, yung iba, pwedeng meron kayong papasuking business ng iyong partner if you have a romantic connection ngayong December, or you are going to partner with someone pagdating sa business. Yung tipong, pwede rin naman kasing, sole proprietorship na business, pero meron kang ka-collaborate like yung parents mo, or friend mo, ganun, or kapatid mo. So, let's see what else. You have the star. So, this is Aquarius energy. Masyadong ngayon, very driven ka ngayon na palaguin yung mga nasimulan mo, na maabot mo yung mga pangarap mo, no? You also have the lovers. O, yung iba talaga, may connection yung inyong love life sa inyong career or sa business ninyo. Pwedeng you are both business partners or pareho kayong company, nagtatrabaho ng person mo. You also have the Ten of Swords. Yung mga changes, yung mga problema, issues na kinaharap niyo sa finances ninyo, tapos na yan. Oo, patapos na. So, ngayon, it's time to celebrate and also, parang restart, no? Start fresh. O, you also have the Four of Pentacles. Ang focus nyo ngayong December is financial stability, no? Yung iba, ngayon pa lang, magsa-start ng mag-ipon, lalo na kung hindi naging successful yung pag-iipon nyo nitong 2023. So, ngayong December, kumbaga yung mindset mo, ini-stabilize mo na makapagtabi. So, lalo na yung may mga nakuhang bonus, incentives, 'di ba? So, hindi nyo gagastusin nyo ng one time, big time. Magtatabi kayo for your savings. You also have the Temperance. Yes, medyo maingat kayo ngayon sa pag-handle ng finances ninyo. Yung iba, you're trying to recover from a financial loss in the past, or yung mga bad decisions nyo pagdating sa pera, ng biglaan. Oo, so ngayon, mas minomoderate ninyo ang inyong paggastos. Lahat yan dapat kailangan. You also have the Knight of Cups. Merong offer, no, sa inyo. Pwedeng may offer sa inyo na trabaho, business opportunity, or earning opportunity. Pero parang hindi nyo to gusto. Oo. Parang you don't feel like doing it. Pwede kasing nararamdaman nyo na hindi kayo talaga doon interesado, or parang you're not yet ready, no, to get into that. Pwedeng merong kukumbinsi sa'yo, yung tipong somehow parang liligawan ka para mapa-oo ka doon sa business opportunity na yan, or sa isang investment na yan. But I think, iiwasan mo muna yan, lalo na kung nagkaroon ka na ng financial losses in the past. So, parang learning na sa'yo na, teka, hindi muna. Oo. Magpo-focus ka muna sa pagsa-stabilize ng iyong finances. You have the 9 of Cups dito. And then the 5 of Swords. So, medyo mag-ingat sa mga nasa paligid mo na naiinggit. Oo, sometimes they will show you na masaya sila sa mga achievements mo, pero pag nakatalikod ka, sinisiraan ka, or may mga jealous. Oo, kasi kahit na nagkaroon ka ng challenges sa finances mo, nakita nila na kinaya mo. Oo, na ngayon nakakabangon ka na. So, parang iniisip nila, ano ba to? Napakaswerte naman ito. Parang ganon. Kahit na may challenges. Kasi alam nyo ba, mga Sagittarius, by default, laging maswerte yan. Dahil kayo ay ruled by Jupiter. No? So, laging may good luck. Merong stroke of good luck sa inyo. So, you also have a mentor. So, someone is willing to share their experiences sa inyo. Pwedeng may inspire kayo sa isang tao na nakita nyong naging successful and gusto nyong sundan yung yapak nila, no? And ikaw rin, na kung sa tingin mo, kaya mo na rin tumulong sa iba, mag-train, mag-coach sa iba, you can also do that. Para to share your blessings rin as well. And you also have, so ngayon mas maging maingat, no? Or pagdating sa pagtatrabaho, hindi mo papagurin yung sarili mo, but you are going to work smart. Alam mo yun? So, sabi nga nila, it's better to work smarter than you work harder. Okay? So, yung resources mo, aayusin mo yan para magamit mo. Yung connections mo, yan, mas lalong lalawak din yung connections mo when it comes to your career, to your business. So, take advantage of that opportunity kasi hindi lahat nabibigyan ng ng connections na hindi kasi lahat komportable na mag-network, 'di ba? Kasi yung iba may ang tawag doon, may pagka-introverted, no? So, for some of you, yan yung yung edge ninyo sa iba kasi you know how to connect with people, malakas yung loob mo, you are charming, ayan. So, madali kang makakuha ng connections. And these connections are going to help you in building a stable career or stable na finances. So, yung iba rin sa inyo, magbibigay rin kayo ng time at panahon sa sarili nyo na to go out with nature, no? So, that's your way of detoxifying or to relaxing and releasing the negative energies around you. Stand tall and proud. See the leadership role unfolding ahead of you. Yes, you have leadership role. So, some of you, meron kayong i-assume na isang posisyon sa trabaho, sa career, or role sa buhay na kung saan you are the leader. Use your keen perception and skill in making decisions. Do not delay. Yes. So, tinatawag na I don't know kung nabasa nyo yung libro na yan, yung Speed of Trust. So, minsan kasi, the more na we, ang tawag dyan, yung ina-analyze, no? Yung paralysis of the analysis, yun yung mas nakakapagpabagal sa atin na umusad. So, for some of you, magtitiwala na lang kayo sa inyong, sa instinct ninyo. O, diba? Speaking of instinct, your intuition is correct. Follow your inner wisdom without fail. Yes, guided kayo ng instinct ninyo, Sagittarius, ngayong December in decision making. So, take advantage of that. So, that is your reading, Sag. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Sagittarius. See you again.